Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
Well, the temperature's not bad over the weekend, but a snowy weekend for us. Not too much today, just a few flurries, and it's still some chances of those as we go through the evening. 24 at 7 o'clock, 20 at 9, and down to 18 at 11 o'clock with cloudy skies. Now, the clouds will begin to break late tonight, and as we get some breaks in the clouds, we'll head down close to zero by tomorrow morning. Around 3 at 8 o'clock, 8 degrees at noon, 11 at 5 p.m., so the Arctic air is back for tomorrow. We do have that wind chill advisory in effect for midnight and beyond. Once we get those numbers down between about 10 and 24 below, that's when the wind chill advisory goes in effect. We'll have those numbers as you step out the door tomorrow morning around 20 below zero over much of the Miami Valley, and then by 1 o'clock getting back up between 0 and 10 below, so the wind chill advisory expected to expire at lunchtime, but still a cold day on tap, certainly much colder than what you'd expect for the end of February, especially with a rapidly lengthening daylight now and the higher sun angle. Low temperatures tonight, as I mentioned, around zero for us, but over that deeper snowpack northwest of us, could even see some numbers bottom out around 5 degrees below zero or so, and then highs tomorrow afternoon, upper single digits to the lower end of the teens here in the Dayton area in the Miami Valley. Just a trace of snow today, and with the snow yesterday up to 9.2 for the month now, 21.1 for the season. That's 3 inches above normal, and tonight we've had a couple of flurries out there, reducing visibility from time to time, but even some breaks in the overcast. And looking at live Doppler 2 HD, dry conditions over much of the area, but there are a couple of flurries showing up northwest of us and some very light flurries. The radar really not picking up at this time. A little bit of lake effect snow working down into northeast sections of Indiana. So at least this evening the chance of some flurries, but I think as we go past midnight those clouds will start to break up. The flurries will come to an end. 13 degrees our low this morning, 31 degrees our high this afternoon with that trace of precip. Normal high now 41, 25 for the normal nighttime low, and right now cloudy skies, 28 degrees, northwest wind at 9, a wind chill of 19 degrees, and 25 in Eaton with a wind out of the northwest at 6 miles per hour. Actual air temperatures getting colder northwest of us now, 24 degrees at Greenville. That's the air headed our way on those northwest winds, which will be moving along about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Even though our wind chills around 20, already some single-digit numbers northwest of us back through northwest Indiana. And our future track forecast tonight showing those clouds gradually breaking up as we go into the overnight hours, especially late tonight and into tomorrow. We'll be looking at partly sunny skies, even at times mostly sunny conditions during the day on Monday, but definitely back to the unseasonably cold air, feeling more like midwinter instead of the tail end of winter. Your forecast tonight, couple of evening flurries, then we'll see some clearing later on, down to about zero. Partly to mostly sunny skies, very cold tomorrow, high up around 12, 6 degrees at 10 o'clock, 8 degrees at noon. The frigid air in place throughout the entire day, and more frigid air throughout the week. Now, we may see a couple of flurries late in the day on Tuesday and into early Wednesday morning, but you can see those numbers slow to moderate, highs mostly in the 20s, low single digits and teens, and then finally toward the weekend, just in time for the start of meteorological spring, maybe we'll get back up into the 40s by next Sunday with a chance of rain.
Yeah, we'll see what it brings. Thanks,
But
Brian.
the final week of winter is going out like winter.
Yeah.
At least in the sports world, winter is showing signs of ending.
Yeah, sign of spring around the bend. The Sprint Cup